what it's done here in Graves County and elsewhere, it is indescribable. The level of devastation is unlike anything I have ever seen.
It just goes straight to voicemail. I mean, we can't get a hold of anybody, no managers, nothing. We have no idea what's going on. I decided to come down here to see what was going on. I had no idea the building looked that bad, and I'm worried sick. I just want to know if he's okay.